Even if they're down by 1 game, down by 2 sets, they know how to come back. And this is the starting unit that has been consistent all season long for FEU. We've seen different iterations of the starting unit, but Dula Dongala will get the starting nod as their middle blocker.
An exclusive broadcast of your UAAP. Buds will score first for NU, which they went through.
And it's the final, so might as well go all the way. Number adjustments in game na gagawin ni Coach Dante, because this FEU squad has a lot of tools to immediately adjust their blocking pattern. That is their main advantage heading into today's game. But FEU is also a solid skill set na matchup. Pantay eh.
Kakao was able to get to it, but unable to keep it in play. So all eyes here also on Greg Ancheta, Neil, as you know, this
Ariel Kakao really loves to play around with his middles.
Oh, that's in.
It's an ace!
More than any other year, Kakao has the most options this year. Previous years have gotten better too, Neil. Between, who played so good for them on the lead up to game number 1. We are at 4-2 NU. Good position by Buds.
Block of NU. It's actually a 3-man block, but somehow nakalusot pa si Amit Bituin na umatras sa zone 6 because he knows that they can get a lot of good soft touches.
Sa gitna.
That's the way to go. Greg Ancheta giving early set to the middle. They decide din yung two teams will read talaga the tendencies of the setter. Depending on their passes also, may mga default set plays yung NU.
Kaba approach. Ayun, nalito.
Mini-second
delay. They were also a dominant team back in the day. We'll talk about that later. Nakahatak na naman si Mukaba.
Sino ba yung babantayan nila? They've been late for the assist block.
Mukaba with that high lead. Espartero on top of that ball. He was one of the guys, Neil, in our interview with him last year. FEU lost in the finals that really took it to heart, that defeat to heart.
This is actually very personal for
Yes.
Quest. The biggest piece, I guess, para manalo sila in game number 1.
Budin again with the left hand. This one is in again. The UAAP eyes. His Alas Pilipinas team also did it well.
Coach Rigoni players compete here in the finals.
Espartero again! Discatado over-receives. And that is always a dangerous proposition in the men's game.
Wala pa siyang masyado nakukuhang sets from Ariel Kakao, but if you give him an opportunity to gain some confidence...
Jade is always a target for most teams, and there they go to him again. And a little confidence booster from Ancheta.
This is what I like about the system of NU. They're just so confident in giving simple sets to the wings, and every time they go for ganun ka taas yung talon ng mga players ni Coach Dante.
Which makikita mo talaga sa replay, ano? Lalo mong nakikita at na-appreciate yung elevation nila. Speaking of, Derek Mendoza spanks that ball off a lead from Ariel Kakao.
A while ago, it was Greg Ancheta giving sets to Obed Mukaba. Now it's time for Ariel Kakao to give some points to Lyric Mendoza.
The lefty on tap. Mukaba again!
FEU against NU. Nobody went up against Obed Mukaba. Coach Dante na hihingin niya yung pasa sa right side so that he can drag all the blockers to that side para maiwan mag-isa si Jade Discatado.
Again from Kakao.
They double block. It's all about the timing in the men's game. It will be easier for the blockers to read the set plays pag na-delay yung pass.
And another
again.
overpass. That's his second one. these 4-0, 3-0 runs sometimes can be so crippling already because they're so well matched against each other. One-on-one. Between receiving. Espartero will try again. Ordialos was there with a pickup. They'll allow it. And FEU gets the point. Esquitado again on his third missed reception. To 2. Better first ball there. Budin gets the checkout. NU down as much as 3. Now back. Tied. It is in. And they retake the lead.
Be able to adjust immediately. Doesn't need to be a perfect pass. Basta may angat mo yung bola to get a chance to attack the defense. That should be enough.
Chance ball for FEU here. Cacao goes to the middle. Off the rebound. There is no answer for Dongala there. Ancheta goes to the other side. And Budin delivers again.
He will not be denied.
Cacao will leave it for a free ball for National U. Mapultos. From behind! What a piston play by National University!
Buds Budin had 72%. Gapultos had 80%.
They were so sharp.
Wow.
They were. Parang they wanted to erase any kind of doubt, Neil, in that Final Four.
2 wins in the Final Four, it would be UST. So they were able to follow their game plan. They shut down Josh Ibanez. And now they're in this position.
Julio, 2 straight points. Kitang-kita. Our 8th deadlock. Within receiving. Ceballos slides. Between. Scores!
You would see them hit the block straight on. But they've been targeting those end zones. So for NU, they move closer to the zone so that they can get those swings from the left pin of FEU.
4 straight points to produce this kind of magic here at the end game. The twin receives. One-on-one. What a step by Cacao.
I forgot about Rick Saavedra. I already mentioned before na this season, iba na yung role. He has been carrying the offensive load for FEU, pero this season, he got a lot of support from most of his teammates.
The lead is 2.
Officially, the score is 21 for NU, 23 for FEU.
Set points. 3 of them.
Cacao, just talk to him. They try to calm him down. We can get the next point. Mabuti na convert.
And then 19-17 NU. And FEU gets a chance to strike here. Lyric on the run. Jade will get it back. Denied! Set number 1 to FEU. First set. Nowhere to go for Jade Esquitado. You're watching game number 1 of